Hello, 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 hello. I don't know if this is working. Oh, let's see. All right, I am sorry. Okay, so here we go. I obviously cannot open that up. Okay, sorry about that. All right. Um, ooh, I already forgot your name. I think it's Sandy. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, Sandy. Hey, how are you doing, Sandy? My name is Jarrett. Sorry for the little confusion. I usually do this on my PC, but I am on a Mac, and so I kind of got a little confused. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and take a look at your site really quickly. Poppy's Fajitas out in Zachary around Baker. I was out there not that long ago. I'm right out of here in New Orleans. And so we're going to take a look at what's going on. I don't know how long you guys have been in business. So normally I really don't fool with restaurant websites as much because I find that with wet restaurants, um, a lot of people will, go online, take a look at your menu, and then just call you. And so I'm kind of going to go off of that just to kind of see maybe what are a couple things that you can actually do to make it just a little bit more user friendly. I do like the scrolling stuff. The food looks delicious. Um, but a couple things real quick off the top of my head, which you've probably created this site yourself, which is great. But here we can see that like this website right here, if I was looking at this on my phone, this doesn't look like it's very mobile friendly, which means that I cannot click on this phone number to call. And so a lot of people will be searching for food and pick up with their phone. And so they're going to have to copy and paste this phone number right here onto their phone, or at least do something to where an easy thing that you can do is just make this phone number clickable all over the place, or even make a button right here underneath call now to place your order. Another thing I would probably do is update the COVID, being that we have another 15 days or so. It might be a good idea to update your pickup policy as of right now. And let's just take a look at what your contact us page says. Okay, so oops, we're unable to find. So you haven't really filled all of the stuff out. Good idea would be to put, if you wanted to upgrade, obviously, um, you know, with the stuff going on nowadays, I don't even think that you need a place where people could pay on your site. It's so easy to collect a credit card payment. But you definitely want to be able to fix this, even if you just come in here and change this out, or just get rid of this. Get rid of that to where it's not clickable, and just put all your contact information on your front page. So basically what you have here is a landing page. And so what a landing page is, it's just a way from somebody to maybe find you on Facebook and to be able to come and check out your menu easily. And so if we go over here to your Facebook, we can see that um, you have 642 people that have liked this. Again, you can kind of see your phone numbers here. See you have a call now button here, so that when people find you on Facebook, even you have a little message icon that pops up. That's all great. That's all wonderful. And it looks like that yes, okay, so you definitely update your Facebook often. And so that's kind of where I would be focusing if I was you. Obviously, a website's important, but Facebook gives you a lot of different options that you can actually bring in and run specials. And so if I owned a restaurant, my main source of advertising would probably be through Facebook and through Facebook marketing, not with a website. I think it's important to have a website, but it's not as important to be able uh, as Facebook. Social media marketing is perfect for businesses like restaurants and different things like that. And so just like this right here, this would have been a great ad campaign to run 2 or 3 days before Cinco de Mayo. And right now, Facebook ads are pretty much the cheapest they've been in years. And so you probably could have gotten a pretty big return on your investment on running a sponsored post. Just a couple quick tips. If you do decide to run some Facebook ads, make sure that you are zeroing in on locations because you are in Zachary. And so you obviously do not want to be marketing to somebody in New Orleans or to somebody even in Baton Rouge. Because there's too many places. So you really need to focus on Baker and Zachary, and you can really hone those in on your Facebook marketing and on your different pages. Um, and so I think this is a great idea. I think it looks like you restaurant looks very nice from what I can see from the pictures. So unfortunately, though, like I said, I don't do a whole lot of work with the website designs for restaurants. Although I would, if I were you, update that website just a little bit more, uh, make it a little bit more user friendly so that when people do go to that restaurant, they can easily see the menu and easily call you and place an order. Because some people are very lazy and they do not want to have to go through all the different things. They want to be able to look up your website, click call now, and get you on the phone. And so if you have anything else or if you have any other questions, I really wish I could have kind of went through a little bit more with you, but I think Facebook is the way to go. Um, and you can definitely increase your business just by running some sponsorship ads, especially now that you can operate outside. I can see that you've done that. People need to know that you're open and that you are serving outside. And one of the best ways to do that is through a sponsored targeted Facebook ad. And you could definitely get a return on your investment. And so, okay, Sandy, well, if you need anything, just shoot me a call or shoot me a message. Shoot me a message and I'll be sure to reach back out to you. And I hope your business grows and does well. And have a blessed day. Thanks.